So let's go back to something that may not be good news, may not be bad news. It's kind of like a little bit in the middle of the road right now. But Uber now has something called business comfort.
I was in my app. I haven't done one yet. It's supposed to pay better. If anybody has done a trip, how much better is this than regular comfort? I don't know. Is this another way of charging the passenger more? Like, let's say, pick up at airports, business people. I'm sure they're going to gear this towards people with business accounts. You know how corporate accounts, Uber has business accounts, obviously, right? And are they going to, I mean, my car is available to do these trips, supposedly, because it was my app. But I got it from a couple other drivers around the country. Have you done a business comfort trip? And is it paying better? Let me know. I haven't done one, so I don't know to compare it to what, but it seems like a decent idea. Although I have not seen it in my app, in my preferences. I'm pretty sure they're going to combine this with Uber X Shared, Uber Comfort, and now Uber Business Comfort probably will be under one tag, I'm assuming. So let me know. This is something that showed up new. Do you have this?
Oh, no.
No?
The only thing we have is Uber X, XL, Comfort, and that's it. Like, okay. Really, that's
all right. So this is new.
so
Business comfort.
There's no black, there's no premium beyond that. So it's
Well,
very
it's going to
basic.
pay more, it may pay more. I don't know. I haven't done a trip, so I don't know.
I mean, honestly, I could see business comfort being something that could come to our market because it's probably just on par with business or with comfort. I'm sure it's probably, if not the exact same thing, or just the exact same thing with a different name. And they're just trying to market it to businesses. But we do have a lot of people who are businesses that come into town and, have big meetings and stuff like that. So it is a real possibility it could potentially come here.
Okay, somebody did a trip. It says sometimes it's better, sometimes not. Just like everything else. Okay.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I would probably assume that would be pretty much the case. So
okay. All right.
But that's my opinion. So yeah, keep us posted on if you guys have it in your market, what you guys are seeing. Are you seeing, Jeff? Merry Christmas to you as well.
Same to you.
Yeah, if we were gonna say, let us know what you're seeing when it compares to normal comfort, and then also what it compares to like X or any premium ride service that you may be able to be eligible for.
Yep.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.